This is part 2 of classical Greek drama presentation. So we left off talking about Dionysus, who is the Greek god of drama and the god of wine and vegetation. Dionysus was the son of Zeus and one of the most important of the Greek gods. He died each winter and was reborn each spring, symbolizing renewal and rejuvenation. Festivals of Greek drama were held in his name. And we've already talked a little bit about hubris being great pride and often the character flaw in Greek drama. An ode is a poem sung in a play or festival. The prologue is the introduction of a play that provides background material. And a satire in Greek literature is a play or a passage in a play that pokes fun at public figures or the gods. Now, some other things to know. Thebes, in this sense, is Thebes, the ancient city of East Central Greece, which is located northwest of Athens. So you can see that in the map on the right-hand side. Okay, we're not talking about Thebes in Egypt. The Oracle of Delphi is a shrine where people would consult a representative, so a priest or priestess of the god or goddesses. And so you can see a picture on the lower left of the actual shrine and then a visual representation of what this may have looked like on the right-hand side. A sphinx. In Greek mythology, a sphinx had the head of a woman, body of a lion, teeth and wings and claws like an eagle. And she killed all who could not answer her riddle. And this was one of her riddles. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? Okay, don't look this one up, but if you think you have the answer, I want you to message me and let me know. But don't look it up. Don't cheat. I'll let you know tomorrow, day 2, what the answer is. Okay? So again, some vocabulary to know for our story is located here. But I've already gone over most of the important ones in this presentation. And we've gone over what the theater actually looked like. Again, this was outdoors. And that is it. So we're going to start to read our play. Please make sure that you have completed your closed notes and that you submit that. Thanks, guys.